In the box, it comes with 4 wheel covers. They sent me 5, and I don't know if they're going to send you 5, but maybe if one breaks, you have an extra. But it has this rough textured side, and then it has this shiny side. We definitely want to have the textured side on the outside part. Then you're going to have these brackets that are going to go in behind here, and you're going to use these screws to connect that together. These bolts right here are going to go through the wheel and connect onto the other wheel cover. The first step is to get these onto the wheels so we can tighten them up. You will see that there is a notch right here. Well, that is for your air hose right there. For that, you want to be able to access that. Now we're just going to go ahead and connect this bracket. We're going to put it behind, and you're going to have to feel for it. We got one in. Then we're going to repeat the process with this one right here, and then do the same on the other side. Once it's around the wheel, you can actually make it easier by leaning it out to put it on there. I thought it was a wrench that you use to tighten these up. Nope, just a screwdriver. We'll need the wrench for when we attach them to each other. When inserting the wheel cover on the other side, make sure that you are behind the brake pad. And here's an easy way to do it. There we go. You will see that there is an outer part and an inner part. You want to make sure that the flat part is facing against the wheel cover. If you have it the other way, it won't lay flat up against the wheel cover. Before we connect these together, we want to make sure that this arch right here is hanging over our air thing. There we go. Because we want to be able to access it from each side. And then you want to take a look on the one that you have on the back and line it up as well. Then we're going to take this bolt and run it through both sides of the wheel well. You're going to fumble with it, but just take your time. We just want to get the nut on until we're able to put all 4 bolts on and get it all lined up. Since we did a bottom one, I'm going to go for the top. This is not easy. You guys, you might be saying some choice words during this. Once you get it, use your Allen wrench and your number 10 and tighten it all up. Let's prepare the back tire. So we're going to just tilt it over a little bit so we can make sure that the air stem is right there at the bottom. When we are doing this side, we want to make sure we are clearing the chain. There we go. Run it behind and then just keep turning it. Make sure you are behind the brake. All right, guys, we did it. We got it assembled. There were some parts that wasn't that easy, but you and I, we were able to work through it. And now we have our Aipas V1 Pro Max ready to go. Now, if you've not seen this bike before and you want to learn more about it, well, you can go ahead and click on my link down in the description below. That'll take you to the Aipas website where you can learn some more, but I will also be doing a full review on this bike. And when I do, it's going to pop up right there. Now, if I haven't done it yet, well, YouTube knows what you want to see, and they're going to throw it up there until this review is ready. So I want to thank you guys for watching and coming along for this assembly. And until I see you again, enjoy the ride.